Every single day you've got to think, what's the priority in order to hit my outcome on a basis? And like when people worry about their website, or they worry about their business card, or all of these things, these are not as important as making a sale. A business is only a business if you have a sale. The priority in any business is to make a sale. A business is not, let's create more website. Let's sell something and then create a service. That would be a better way to do it. What did Bill Gates do? Bill Gates found a problem. Okay, he offered a solution. When MMIS, when they went out and they created the hardware, he created the software, phoned up this company and said, we can put a software that will help you be able to code a computer more easily and efficiently. Would that be helpful? They said, yes. Do you have it? And he said, yeah, we have it. How long do you want it in? He said, I'll give it to you in a month. He said, that's great because we haven't made it yet. So could you sell something even before you've done it? Yeah, of course. Again, look, it won't be the best, that's for sure, but it'll get better. That is for sure.